Hi, we're back again to teach you how to use our Gmate Glucometer. Let's start off by assembling the lancing pen. Twist the cap open anti-clockwise and press the needle in. Remove the needle cap and set aside. Now place back the lancing cap and adjust according to your skin thickness. 1 to 2 is for baby or thin skin, 3 is normal, and 4 to 5 is thick callus skin. Then pull the sliding barrel. Next, set up your smartphone for the test. Place in the Gmate Smart adapter. Now, once the adapter lights up, slot in the electrode part of the strip completely. Wash and clean your hands before you begin pricking. Now, apply alcohol swab to your fingertip and wait for it to dry. This is important to form a nice blood drop. Give your finger a little squeeze and prick your finger by pressing the side button. Slide the blood drop to the tip of the strip and the results will show within 5 seconds. Once your results is out, pick when did you conduct your test and key in what you have eaten in the memo section below. Press tick on the right hand corner and you're done. It is just that simple. After the test, just pull out the strip and the adapter. For disposal of needles, simply turn the lancing cap open, hook the needle into the needle cap that you have removed earlier and push the handle. Just pack everything together and dispose accordingly. There you have it. Using our Gmate Glucometer is just that easy.